Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase investment knowledge with eTrade easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin increasing your investment knowledge using eTrade, first, create an account on the eTrade website. Visit the official eTrade homepage and look for the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, log in to the eTrade platform. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the market news section for up-to-date information on trends and events affecting investments. Next, delve into the educational resources offered by eTrade. Navigate to the Education tab in the main menu. Here, you'll find a variety of articles, videos, and webinars covering fundamental and advanced investment concepts. Start with beginner tutorials if you are new to investing. Focus on topics such as stock basics, asset allocation, and market analysis. Once you grasp the basics, explore advanced strategies like options trading or technical analysis. To further your learning, consider participating in live webinars. These sessions often feature expert guest speakers who share valuable insights. After attending webinars, make sure to review any supplemental materials provided. This additional content can deepen your understanding of complex topics. Next, utilize *Trades paper trading feature to practice what you've learned. This allows you to trade with virtual money, helping you build confidence without any financial risk. As you practice, keep revisiting the educational resources to enhance your skills. Finally, engage with the eTrade community for peer support and discussion. Join forums or social media groups related to investing to share your experiences and learn from others. By consistently using these resources, you'll significantly boost your investment knowledge over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.